Hey Lear, are you looking for a perfect digital board for your classroom on which you can write, draw, play 4K videos, and teach through presentations or other documents? Then look no further. This is a Prima interactive lab panel. You can easily teach with this device in your classroom. With a large touchscreen, it works like a giant iPad. You can write on the screen, explain with the help of 2D, 3D shapes, create lines and angles. This device supports multiple touch, which means multiple students can work together on this smart board. For example, they can solve the questions together or do any other group activity. You can also divide the interactive whiteboard into different parts and explain multiple concepts simultaneously. You can create tables to present any complex information in an easy way. Also, you can use mind maps to present your content so your students can understand and remember it properly. While writing on this panel, you will experience amazing writing experience, just like writing on a traditional board, and you can easily erase it with your hand. While teaching on this interactive whiteboard, you can also integrate images from browsers like this and enhance your lessons. Now, if you want to change the color of this interactive whiteboard here, you can go to the menu function, then go to the background option. Here you will find multiple templates and background colors available for you. Now, let's check the pen tool. You can see there are multiple types of pen options available. You can increase and decrease in the thickness of the pen. You can also change the color of your pen. This one is called soft pen. Come with a pressure sensor. You can see the line gets thinner when I press it lightly, and the line gets thicker when I press it harder. And this is what we call test pen. It can convert your handwriting into text. This is what we call shape pen. You can draw any shapes loosely, and this pen can automatically draw it accurately for you. And this is what we call equation pen. They can turn your handwriting into equation. This is what we call rainbow pen. The color changes every time when we draw a new line. By using these pens, you can teach with more convenience and deliver your lesson with more fun. While this canvas gets full, you can use the roam option here and make more space for the new content. Or you can just start a whole new page. Now, there are many other tools that you can make use of in your classroom, such as the time option and the stopwatch option. You can put up questions on the board and ask your students to solve it in a given time. For example, you can start a timer option here. In this way, you can easily engage your students. The best part about this panel is that you can window open several apps in sorts and use those apps at the same time, so you can demonstrate different materials in one page without switching over and over again. If you want to connect your smartphone, desktop, laptop, or any other device with this panel, you can easily do so with multiple ports available in the panel's front side and back side both. Here you can see first, we have touch out, HDMI in, Type-C, USB-C. With these ports, you can easily connect to your devices and transfer your files. Now, if you want to teach through your PDF, you just have to open it here and switch on the annotation mode. And now you can easily write, highlight, draw, and take notes on the PDF here itself. You can save and share the annotation with the students as well. You can also record your complete lecture with the screen recording option available in the panel. You can also change the recording setting if you want. If you want to share something from your smartphone or laptop, you can do that with the screen share feature available in the panel. With the annotation mode, you can write directly in the panel, whether it's a website, PPT slide, PDF, etc. Make a real-life annotation. This panel is available in 55 inches, 65 inches, 75 inches, and 86 inches. We will recommend the 75 inches and 86 inches panel as it is the most ideal fit for average-sized classroom. Let's talk about the build quality of this panel. So the screen of this panel is made of high-quality anti-glare tempered glass, which protects it from any impact and provide a better viewing experience. The build quality of the panel is strong, durable, and reliable, which makes it an ideal choice for classroom. If you prefer to work on Windows application, you can easily switch it from Android to Windows. But to use Windows on the panel, you will require an OPS, which is an optional device. Or if you prefer to work in Google Apps, we can also help you to get EDLA certified, which means you can preset all of the Google apps such as Google Slide, Google Doc in your panel and use them legitimately. You can mount the panel on the wall or take a movable stand just like this. This device also comes in various variants. If you want to do a video conferencing or online meeting, you can select a panel with camera and microphone. We offer the best customer service 24/7. In case of any issue with the panel, our team will come and offer support in your location. Prima was founded in 1985 and has over 30 years experience in manufacturing interactive lab panel, kiosk, touch table, and so many other display devices. With our own research and development team and factory, we are very capable of providing any sort of ODM and OEM service. To know more, you can check our website, iprima.com.cn. This is a jacket from Prima Technology. Thank you so much for listening.
Okay.